Dear students, as you know that chi-square test is used to test the equality of several proportions, and for that matter, chi-square is being taken as a non-parametric test. Now, you have learned manually that how to apply the chi-square test onto the contingency table manually. Now, in order to follow it onto the SPSS software, we would learn in this module that what are the particular data requirements in order to follow the chi-square test for the contingency table in SPSS. So students, the problem under consideration is, and I'm going to state it for you, a research is conducted to observe the success of students for a same course taught by 3 instructors. Researcher has claimed that the proportion of success is same for all the 3 groups. For the data given, test the researchers claim at 5% level of significance. Now students, here we are given with the data for the 3 groups, and the observed frequencies are being given as 25 under group 1, 18 under group 2, and 17 under group 3, giving us a total of 60. Now, as far as the SPSS data requirement is concerned, the first thing we would have to do is to define a variable of interest, which is the success of the students. Now, after defining this variable in SPSS, we'll have to enter the data. Now, students, how to enter the data? That I'll be telling you, but you would have to remind that the total number of observations under group 1 are 25, for group 2 18, and then for group 3 it is 17, because we are going to use these observed data values or the data points in order to have the data entry under the SPSS. So students, this is the interface of the SPSS which is appearing before you. The first thing we would have to do is, after opening up the SPSS software from our windows, that it will be giving you the window on the bottom of which, on the left bottom of which, you are given with the 2 buttons. One is the data view button and other is the variable view button. So students, जब आप variable view button पे, which is appearing here, variable view button पे when you will be clicking, तो आपको के सामने ये जो विंडो नजर आ रही है ये डिस्प्ले हो जाएगी. This is the required window where we would have to define our variable of interest, and you know that our variable of interest was success of the students. So students, मैंने name के under define किया है success, which was the success of the students. इसकी type आप देखिए, आपके पास है numeric, और इसकी जो measurement है that is the scale. Now I have defined that success variable. The next thing I have to do is that I am going to define the observed frequencies under this success variable. So for that students, आपके variable view के साथ एक और बटन आपको नजर आ रहा होगा, data view. So I'll be clicking onto the data view button so that I can enter the data under the success variable. So students, you will be following it in a way. आप data view पे click करेंगे, success का variable is already been defined for you under that, और उसके अंडर आप data points type करना लिखना शुरू करेंगे. So students, this is the variable success that we have defined under the variable view. अब मैं data view के बटन पे click कर चुकी हूँ. क्लिक करने के बाद इफ यू रिमेंबर, हमारे पास डाटा ऐसा था कि उसमें ऑब्जर्व फ्रीक्वेंसी अंडर ग्रुप 1, यू जस्ट रिमेंबर, ग्रुप 1 के अंडर वी हैव 20 ऑब्जर्वेशंस, ग्रुप 2 के अंडर वी हैव टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस 18, एंड अंडर ग्रुप 3 वी हैव 17 ऑब्जर्वेशंस. अब स्टूडेंट्स ये देखिए, ग्रुप 1 को डिफाइन करूंगी मैं विद वैल्यू 1, ग्रुप 2 को I'll be defining as value 2, और ग्रुप 3 की ऑब्जर्वेशंस को मैं लूंगी 3. अगर आप ऑब्जर्व करें तो ये देखिए, आई एम गोइंग टू टाइप 11111 till 20, ये आपको 19 तक नजर आ रही है, till 20 मैं अंडर ग्रुप 1 111 टाइप करूंगी. once I have defined, I have entered one value 20 times, next मुझे group 2 की values, observed values enter करनी है. So 2 value I'm going to type 18 times. So students, I'm going to tell you that under group 1 मैंने type किया 20 times, 2 मैं type करूंगी for group 2 18 times, और उसके बाद once I'm done with the definition of group 2, तो मुझे 3 enter करना है 17 time. These were the observed frequencies for the 3 groups. So पहली जो ग्रुप 1 को आपने 1 कोड दिया या 1 वैल्यू दी, वो आप 20 टाइम्स टाइप करेंगे 1. फिर ग्रुप 2 जिसको आपने 2 नाम दिया, उसको आप 18 टाइम्स एंटर करेंगे. एंड देन आफ्टर डूइंग दैट आपने ग्रुप 3 को 3 नेम दिया, 3 कोड उसके लिए सिलेक्ट किया, उसको आप 17 टाइम एंटर करेंगे. सो वंस यू हैव डन दैट, दैट कंप्लीट्स द डेटा एंट्री और द डेटा requirement for applying the chi-square test for testing the equality of several proportions under SPSS.